back to another one of my videos. In this episode, we're going to be stripping down the TS1 engine, having a look inside, see what's been going on.
Okay, found a fair bit of damage inside here. Bolt missing. Somewhere around here we might find a circlip, or there's a part of his chain missing. It's kind of bent, so it's been through the sprocket or something. We're not sure what gearbox he's got yet, but I think it's looks like 18 on the front, so I'm guessing it's a GP Indian gearbox, because these are looking like Indian GP casings. So that's the first bit of debris that came out, and we'll carry on and strip the rest of this down and see what we find. Okay, it looks pretty well all Indian GP inside, but somebody fitted a 5-plate clutch in here, and it's not a deep basket, so as soon as I compressed the clutch to take it apart, it really didn't go very far. So he would have not had much fun with this. This would have been awful trying to ride this. The clutch probably didn't disengage at all. Probably dragging him everywhere. Anyway, so this all got to be changed. There's loads of bits got to be changed in here. No good at all. So, oh, and his chain is completely wankered. That's completely dead as a dog. So it's not looking too good so far, but it's going to be fun. I'm wondering whether this was actually stripped as the bolt was actually missing. Just try and find. Just try something in there. Probably clean up. Hopefully it's okay. Okay, that's pretty much stripped down. We've still got the rear hub to take off and check that bearing there, but that'll be later. Studs to remove, and the condiments on the top, your gear change and all this got to come off, but pretty well that's it. And then it'll be all cleaned up, properly cleaned, and then we can, once we've got some spare parts for it, which we're going to order, we've decided to go for a 60mm stroke crank with either an 115 or 116mm rod. We're going to be using, we think, a Kawasaki piston for it, KDX 220, and when the parts arrive, we'll show you the rebuild. So that's it for now. Pretty well the end of the strip down. I'm not going to bother showing you me cleaning, it's just no point. So that's it, all in bits.
Okay, so that's basically the end of the part one of the strip down. We'll probably be doing part one, part two, part three. I'm not sure how many before the engine's finished, but we'll show you as we go along. We'll be doing some porting in the future. We're going to do all the casings, open up the transfer ports and match them to the casings. Here we'll be also checking crank balance when that comes, a balance factor maybe, to make sure it's perfect with the piston. We'll be modifying the piston to get extra flow. Yep, we'll be doing quite a lot of stuff to it. We're going to have to remachine the head, because the head is for the standard piston and the Kawasaki's flatter, so we've got to redo the profile for the cylinder head as well. So there'll be lots of stuff coming up. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a big fat thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Bye.